the idea.
All right, so guys, now load up the next one.
And
Put a line through this.
yep, we're now loading up. And for the race number 38, Mixed Masters 4, flight number 1. Lane 1 is Orlando Rowing Club. Lane 2, Roe Brevard. Lane 3, Orlando Rowing Club A. Lane 4, Jacksonville A. Tampa Athletic Club in lane 5, and Edgewater High School in 6. Looks like Edgewater scratched from this event, so from right to left, and if you're looking at the course, basically from the western side to the eastern side, it's Orlando Rowing Club C, Roe Brevard in lane 2, Orlando Rowing Club A in lane 3, Jacksonville A in lane 4, and lane 5 is Tampa Athletic Club. We have 5 boats in this race. They are all in the starting blocks, getting their alignment and point. Should have a start shortly. And they're off. Boats appear to be all the way clean. No equipment breakage, so it looks like we're on our way. And I would say right now it appears that lane 3, Orlando Rowing Club A, is in the lead. And Tom, it looks like they've got about a length already, and they are rowing quite smoothly.
Yeah, and I would say that outside lane is probably in second place.
Yep. That would be Tampa Athletic Club.
Correct.
Rowing on the mighty Hillsborough River. Cox is doing a pretty good job of keeping everybody in their lanes. Sometimes gets adventuresome. And Orlando Rowing Club A continues to extend their lead, although the Tampa folks are keeping closer contact than anybody else, but they're still about a quarter deck behind. Quarter deck of open, rather. Looks like Tampa's actually reeling them in a little bit.
Yeah, you're right. And there's actually a terrific race for second place. Look at this. This is pretty fun. All the rest of the crews are pretty well lined up. Bow on bow.
500 meters in.
Yep. There's only.
Oh, this is going to get close at the end, Tom.
Yeah, it is. And you know, with 500 meters left, anything can happen. And you really have a good race out of this. In fact, this race is by far not over. I mean, when you're.
I think Tampa's about to take the lead.
Yep.
There they are. They've got their back. They're now about up a quarter of a deck, and looks like Jacksonville A may be reeling the Orlando Rowing Club in too. And sometimes you can get off a fairly quick start, and the steady folks. We got a 3-boat race here.
Yes.
Oh, we got a little bit of a
steering problem.
Little steering issue here. Got to make sure that the blades aren't striking the buoys.
Talk about now, two of the boats are Alcon's boats.
Yep.
The middle is a stern.
Yeah, one of the things we're noticing about the where the coxswain sits in the boat, and in most cases nowadays the boats are where the coxswain is in the bow, all the way, and a lot of times you can't even see them like you can right here for the winter. But one of the boats in the center there is a stern cox boat. So out of these three coming down, as you guys can see it towards the finish line, oh my goodness, what a race this is. This is great.
Orlando A reclaimed the lead for a bit. They probably got about 4-foot lead, being challenged by Jacksonville A. And I think Jacksonville A unofficially might have just nudged them out.
The actual results will show up.
Yeah.